if you need to connect and resonate and sell your products and services or onboard customers, like live webinars are really powerful. The other side of that is automated webinars, which you and I we were just talking about. Automated webinars are pre-recorded video content. Now, the cool thing about an automated webinar is that you're not held to your own bandwidth. So an automated webinar can stream multiple times during the day in your attendees' local time zone, which if you have a worldwide audience, it's really difficult to run a live webinar, and someone in Australia or wherever in the world it might be their early morning, let's say, or their late evening. They might be in bed. So the cool thing about an automated webinar is it gives opportunity for more registrations, more people coming through. It'll stream an event with the experience of live without you having to be there. And the thing that no one tells you is that an automated webinar is basically a sales funnel, but it's more of a sales experience. And the key to it is to keep a continuity in your marketing from top of the funnel down, right? So as an example, inside of EasyWebinar, the platform, it has all the pages of what you want a webinar to have, but also what a funnel should have. So it has a registration page, a thank you page, a countdown page. The event page has all the emails, right, to notify you of the event. Post notifications try to close the sale, where you then maybe send to a replay page. We have a timed replay page where you can actually, have a countdown timer on that page that will count down, till the offer and the page expires, right? So you create urgency, you create scarcity. And you can do all of this in an evergreen scenario. Evergreen meaning that everyone who comes into it has their own unique experience. They feel like they're coming in and, this is catered specifically to me.
Right.
And that's really the power of it.
Isn't that interesting? That's really interesting, because that's one of the key drivers to creating that relationship, is that it doesn't feel necessarily automated, or at least at the point that you've stopped automating and you want to communicate directly with your customer. The webinar provides that, yet it is automated. At least the potential is for it to be automated.